I love kids, and so I feel like Can Kids has been an opportunity to know and to actually mother lots and lots of kids. When I was a little girl, I wanted to have 100 kids. I think I have thousands. It's extremely rewarding because you go back every day saying, I made a difference. And I don't think everybody is blessed with the opportunity to be able to say that every day. So I had colon cancer in November of 2000. I have this little idea that God said, I'm sparing you for your 2 kids, so you have a lot of kids to look after. So Sonal, who's our director, Parent Support Group, and I are founder members, and together we set up Can Kids, Kids Can.
We wanted to make a difference in the life of each and every parent whose child is suffering from cancer. So that's how Can Kid came into it, and that's how we started. We 4 or 5 of us, we started Can Kids with the vision and mission that this should be a family organization where we could take care of each and every aspect of childhood cancer.
We work largely with the underprivileged sections of the society. But change for childhood cancer really means that we want to provide the best standards of treatment, care and support to any child. We have grown a parent support group. We encourage parents to come back and work with us, and we empower them because they are the future of Can Kids.
Parent support group is one of the best module of Can Kids, and it's क्योंकि जब एक पेरेंट बात करता है तो दूसरे पेरेंट को ये समझ में आता है कि हाँ, ये भी उस लड़ाई में आज शामिल नहीं है पर कल था. So at least I can open up, you know. So that's how Poonam and I thought of this parent support group.
Thank you. आप लोग आए, बच्चों को खुशी हुआ.
We empower survivors to come back, work with us. We're running a survivor leadership program under Kids Can Connect, which is our teenage and young adult group. And again, they are the best childhood cancer ambassadors, really, because they stand for the fact that they are well.
We want to tell these young children that there is a way. Can Kid is there standing for you. We are going to be there telling you the ways of life. How can you boost yourself? How can you make your cancer your strength, not your weaknesses? We want to show it to the world that it's okay, that fight could be tough, but it is not impossible.
Palliative center, I would say this is a center where no doubt it started with the terminal cases only, where people, you know, in last stages would be here, because you must have seen my isolation room and other rooms. Sometimes the hospitals are closed and they need the evening dose of antibiotics. We have a doctor, we have a nurse, we have a group of nurses also, so we take care, we can give that antibiotic in our center over here. So basically this is a pain and symptom management center.
We celebrate Diwali, we celebrate Christmas, we do events like picnics and outings with them, and ICCD is, I think, is the biggest event that Can Kids take their initiatives to spread the message that childhood cancer is curable. My goal is that people should get out of that stigma that childhood cancer is not curable. It is curable. I think we can do a lot better, and we can really get this drive of childhood cancer to the heights where people are not scared of cancer.
I am a cancer survivor.
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 I will survive cancer.